Alright everyone, so I'm back again. I drained the tub, I took my vacuum and I basically hooked a 1/4 inch line, basically same size as this, to my shop vac and used duct tape, and then I could get in here and I could vacuum out all this water. But as you can see, after I filled the tub up, it's completely full again. So there's definitely some type of leak there, and I'm going to see if I can get my camera to catch it. But down in here, there we go, it's a 1/4 inch line. That goes kind of in that same area where it's leaking. It's fairly dry over here. You can see the wet here, and it's wetter the farther you go over here. So I'm assuming it's this drain line here, and I'm assuming that's a drain line, but I can't really get. It looks like it's going to here, okay, which looks like it's part of the pump, and then it comes over. You can see all the water that's standing there. And then it goes through the tub there. So my question is if anybody knows if this is the same drain line that goes to the moto massage area over here. There's a drain line there, and I kept that off and epoxied it, and I epoxied the drain line itself too, so it's not leaking over there anymore. But my concern is maybe this hose runs from over there through here and comes down into here somehow, and then comes out and into this pump. And if that's the drain line itself, I guess my question is could I just cap off this line and then see if I fill the tub up and if my problem goes away? Because that's my assumption. It's probably cracked somewhere in the tub, and if I don't need this, if that's its sole purpose is just for the moto jet drain line area, I don't think I need it. My only concern is it would be an airline, but typically I've heard airlines are ran higher up in the tub. But that's basically where I'm at, and I really don't want to rip any more foam out, so just looking for any advice that somebody has. Thanks.